In the global auto industry, few names carry the weight and reputation of Toyota. Known for bulletproof reliability, conservative engineering, and long-lasting powertrains, Toyota has built decades of trust with millions of drivers worldwide. That's why recent developments surrounding Toyota's newer engine lineup have sparked serious discussion across the industry. While headlines claiming that Toyota's CEO admitted their new engines are failing may sound dramatic, the reality is more nuanced, but still important. Toyota has acknowledged challenges with some of its latest engine designs, particularly as it transitions towards stricter emission standards, electrification, and downsized turbocharged powertrains. More importantly, the company is already responding with a major redesign strategy planned for its 2027 model lineup. This moment represents a turning point, not just for Toyota, but for the future of internal combustion engines. The context: why Toyota changed its engines. To understand the issue, you first need to understand why Toyota changed its engines in the first place. For decades, Toyota relied heavily on naturally aspirated engines, simple, durable, and easy to maintain. Engines like the 2.5-liter Dynamic Force and older V6 units became known for their longevity. However, tightening global emissions regulations forced automakers to rethink engine design. Key pressures included stricter CO2 and fuel economy standards worldwide, demand for higher efficiency without sacrificing performance, competition from turbocharged engines used by rivals, the rapid shift toward hybrid and electrified systems. In response, Toyota introduced a new generation of engines featuring smaller displacement, turbocharging, higher compression ratios, more complex thermal management systems, integration with hybrid powertrains. These changes were necessary, but they also introduced new risks, where problems began to surface. While Toyota's newer engines are still generally reliable compared to many competitors, reports of issues began appearing in certain models, particularly those using turbocharged setups or newly designed hybrid integrated engines. Some of the most discussed concerns include: 1. Turbocharged engine stress. Turbocharged engines operate under higher pressure and temperature compared to naturally aspirated engines. This can lead to increased wear on internal components, greater sensitivity to oil quality and maintenance intervals, higher long-term stress on pistons, valves, and bearings. In some cases, users and technicians have reported premature wear, oil consumption concerns, reduced long-term durability compared to older Toyota engines. 2. Complexity of hybrid integration. Toyota remains a global leader in hybrid technology, but integrating internal combustion engines with electric systems adds complexity. Newer hybrid setups require precise synchronization between engine and motor, advanced cooling systems, sophisticated software control. This complexity can sometimes lead to calibration issues, software-related drivability concerns, increased difficulty in diagnosing problems. 3. High compression efficiency designs. Toyota has pushed the limits of efficiency by using higher compression ratios and advanced combustion techniques. While this improves fuel economy, it also creates higher combustion temperatures, increased sensitivity to fuel quality, greater engineering tolerance requirements. Any small deviation in materials, manufacturing, or maintenance can have amplified effects. Did Toyota's CEO really admit failure? The phrase "admitted their engines are failing" is somewhat exaggerated, but it stems from real statements and strategic decisions. Toyota leadership has openly acknowledged the challenges of balancing efficiency, performance, and durability, the need to simplify future engine designs, the importance of maintaining Toyota's reliability reputation. Rather than denying issues, Toyota has taken a proactive stance, investigating reported problems, improving production processes, planning a major redesign of next-generation engines. This approach is consistent with Toyota's long-standing philosophy, continuous improvement or Kaizen. The real issue: industry-wide transition. It's important to understand that Toyota is not alone. The entire automotive industry is going through a difficult transition. Downsized engines replacing larger ones, turbocharging becoming standard, electrification adding complexity, emissions regulations tightening every year. Many manufacturers have faced similar challenges, including turbo engine reliability concerns, hybrid system calibration issues, increased maintenance requirements. Toyota's situation reflects a broader industry trend, not a unique failure. The 2027 redesign, a strategic reset. Toyota's response to these challenges is ambitious. A complete rethink of its internal combustion engine strategy for 2027 and beyond. This redesign focuses on several key goals. 1. Simpler engine architecture. Toyota aims to reduce complexity while maintaining efficiency. This includes fewer moving parts where possible, more modular engine designs, improved accessibility for maintenance. Simplification is expected to improve reliability and reduce long-term ownership costs. Number 2. Optimized for hybrid systems. Future engines will be designed specifically for hybrid integration from the ground up. Instead of adapting traditional engines, Toyota is building engines that work seamlessly with electric motors, prioritizing efficiency over peak standalone power, reducing stress by sharing load with electric components. This approach can extend engine lifespan significantly. 3. Improve thermal efficiency. Toyota continues to push for industry-leading thermal efficiency, but with better durability in mind. Key improvements include advanced cooling systems, more stable combustion processes, reduced internal friction. The goal is to achieve high efficiency without compromising longevity. 4. Better materials and manufacturing. Toyota is investing heavily in materials science and production techniques. Expected upgrades include stronger alloys for critical components, improved machining precision, enhanced quality control processes. These changes aim to eliminate weak points seen in earlier designs. 5. Compatibility with alternative fuels. Toyota is also exploring engines that can run on carbon-neutral fuels, hydrogen combustion systems, synthetic fuels. This ensures future engines remain relevant even as the industry evolves beyond traditional gasoline. Expert insights. What this means for reliability. Industry experts generally agree on one key point. Toyota is not abandoning reliability. It is redefining it. Complexity is the new challenge. Modern engines are far more complex than those from 10 to 20 years ago. An expert automotive engineer might explain, older engines were overbuilt and understressed. Modern engines are optimized and tightly engineered. This leaves less margin for error. Toyota's redesign aims to restore that margin without sacrificing efficiency. Hybridization can improve longevity. Ironically, hybrid systems, despite their complexity, can actually extend engine life. Why? Electric motors reduce engine workload. Engines operate in more efficient ranges, less stress during acceleration. If properly engineered, hybrid systems can offset many durability concerns. Maintenance is more important than ever. Modern engines require high-quality oil, strict maintenance intervals, proper fuel. Neglecting maintenance has a bigger impact than it did on older engines. Toyota's redesign may also aim to make engines more tolerant of real-world usage conditions. What this means for current Toyota owners. If you already own a newer Toyota model, there's no need for panic. Key points to remember. Most Toyota engines remain highly reliable. Reported issues are relatively limited compared to total sales. Toyota actively addresses problems through updates and improvements. However, owners should follow maintenance schedules carefully, use recommended oil and fuel, stay informed about service bulletins. What to expect from 2027 models. Toyota's 2027 lineup could mark a significant shift in how engines are designed and perceived. Expected changes include more refined hybrid systems, smaller, more efficient engines with improved durability, reduced reliance on high-stress turbocharging in some models, greater focus on smooth, consistent performance rather than peak power. These vehicles will likely feel different, quieter, more efficient, less mechanically stressed. The bigger picture. Toyota's long-term vision. Toyota is taking a multi-path approach to the future of mobility. Instead of going all in on electric vehicles, the company is investing in hybrid technology, hydrogen fuel cells, hydrogen combustion engines, sustainable fuels. This strategy allows Toyota to adapt to different global markets, reduce risk, continue improving internal combustion technology. The 2027 engine redesign fits into this broader vision. Why this moment matters. This situation is significant for several reasons. 1. It shows Toyota is not immune to change. Even the most reliable brand must adapt to new realities. 2. It highlights the limits of modern engineering. Pushing efficiency too far can introduce new challenges. 3. It demonstrates Toyota's response strategy. Instead of ignoring issues, Toyota is acknowledging challenges, investing in solutions, planning long-term improvements. Final thoughts. The idea that Toyota's CEO admitted their new engines are failing is an oversimplification, but it reflects a real shift happening within the company. Toyota is facing the same pressures as every major automaker. Stricter regulations, changing technology, increasing complexity. Some of its newer engines have revealed the challenges of this transition, but rather than signaling decline, this moment represents evolution. The planned 2027 redesign is not just a fix, it's a strategic reset. By simplifying engine architecture, improving hybrid integration, and focusing on durability alongside efficiency, Toyota is positioning itself for the next era of automotive engineering. For consumers, this means continued innovation, likely improvements in long-term reliability, more advanced, efficient vehicles. Toyota built its reputation on trust. The real test isn't whether problems arise, it's how the company responds. And based on current direction, Toyota is choosing to respond the only way it knows how, by going back to the drawing board and building something better.